How to change username on X or Twitter app. What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change your username on X or Twitter app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first is go to on your X app or Twitter app. After going to this, you have to click on your profile like that. Please make sure you watch the full video and follow every step I'm going to show you so that you can change your username. So let's jump into the video. You have to click on this settings and support in the last option right here. After clicking on this, you can see here is two options, settings and privacy. You have to click on settings and privacy. After clicking on this, you can see here is the option your account in the top option like here. After that, you have to click on this your account option. Then you have to click on your account information. Then here you can see here is the username option. We need to change our username, so that you need to click on this username option like here. So here is a tricky option that you need to choose a unique username to have this. Otherwise you can't have a username that other person already have. Like this, if I need this username, here you can see there is a red option like that, that username has already been taken, so that you can't use this username anyway. So you need to come up with a unique username so that you can use it. Here you can see if there is a Bluetooth green tick here, that you can use this username on Excel. Then after choosing your username, you have to click on done. After clicking on done, your username has already been changed. Here you can see my username is just changed, the new username Shorifosan68. So this is how you can change your username on X app or Twitter app. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.